Today we're looking at BUR10 acrylic-based plumbing and flanged vent repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at APOC.com. Existing problems can be incomplete flashings, cracks, and deterioration. Let's look at a fleece top incredible tape repair method. To start, always clean the surface. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. Lay out and cut the APOC fleece top incredible tape centered over the flange edge. Make sure tape is extended a minimum of 2 inches past the flange edge. Remove the release liner and apply tape over flange edge. Use a hand roller to ensure full and complete adhesion to roofing surface. Complete the additional 3 sides of the fleece top incredible tape and apply tape over flange edge. Use a hand roller to ensure full and complete adhesion to roofing surface. Using a chip brush, apply APOC 264 flash and seal to the horizontal surface and the pipe. Apply APOC 264 flash and seal a minimum of 1 inch past the tape in all directions. Now it's time to remove the masking tape. Your APOC BUR10 acrylic-based vent repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at APOC.com.